Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Kraken account security with 2FA and withdrawal protections, complete guide step by step clearly. To enable Kraken account security with two-factor authentication, start by logging into your Kraken account. Once logged in, navigate to the account settings. Look for the security section in the settings menu. In this section, you will find the option for two-factor authentication, or 2FA. Click on the 2FA option to begin the setup process. You will see two methods available for 2FA, using the Google Authenticator app or receiving SMS codes. If you choose Google Authenticator, download and install the app on your smartphone. Open the Google Authenticator app and select Add Account. You can either scan the QR code displayed on the Kraken website or manually enter the provided key. After the account is added, the app will generate a 6-digit code. Enter this code back into the Kraken website to verify and complete the setup. If you prefer SMS, select the SMS option and enter your mobile number. You will receive a verification code via SMS. Enter that code on the Kraken website to enable SMS-based 2FA. Next, ensure you enable withdrawal protection for added security. Return to the security section in the account settings. Look for withdrawal settings and select Require 2FA for withdrawals. Activate this option to ensure that withdrawals will require 2FA confirmation. You may also consider setting withdrawal addresses for additional safety. Add trusted withdrawal addresses to ensure your funds go to secure locations. Save any changes you make throughout this process. Always remember to keep your 2FA method secure and backed up. Complete the procedures and log out of your account. Your Kraken account is now secured with 2FA and enhanced withdrawal protections. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.